How are you, students?
Honest. I'm good.
Good. Fine.
Eating sagu keju.
Oh, okay. So,
Is that your
have
favorite
you
snack?
opened your sorry, have you opened the English Peta concept yesterday?
Yeah.
Ah, lupa.
Yeah, so
No.
how can you forget? Okay, please click
Oh
here
my
and then
god, I
click the third
forgot.
meeting, yeah, January 28, 2021. The topic is kinds
OMG.
of adverb. So here you can see the note
Wait, Miss, I forgot to tell you. I was absent
last
on
week.
the last meeting.
Oh iya,
Oh,
saya
why?
nge-lag kemarin. Itu gara-gara Bisnet, bukan gara-gara saya.
I
Oh,
was like having a headache and I like I didn't attend to the last meeting.
oh, it's okay, Getia. Thank you for the information. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I hope that today all of you are healthy and also have a good connection so you can join the English class well. So this one is the note, yeah. If you did not write it yet, you can write it after the English class finish. Yeah, the note is just simple like that. And then we do exercises here, the answer key here, and also I put two fun activities. The first one is sing adverb song. Yeah, so this one is a song that makes you easily understand or remember about adverb. And then the second one is the quiz. Yeah, so let's start the explanation. And we start. Okay, you can unmute yourself first. Yeah, so I would like to ask some questions. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can read the sentences clearly. Yeah, I study English every Monday. And then the second sentence is he drive the cars carefully. Yeah, so do you remember parts of sentence? Masih ingat nggak sama part of sentence in the first semester?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are subject, predicate, object, and also adverb. Yeah. So here, will for I and he, what is that? What is that called? I and he, subject, predicate, or object? Subject. Good. Yeah. And then study and drive.
Study, predicate,
Predicate.
predicate.
Yeah, good. Predicate. Predicate is the action. What does the subject do? Apa yang dilakukan oleh subjek? That is predicate. Yeah, and then English and the car is
Object.
object. Good. Yeah, it is an object. Ya, jadi English and the car is the object. Nah, this one every Monday. What is every Monday?
Adverb.
Telling about what? Adverb. Good. Yeah, telling about time. So for adverb, I will write ADV. Jadi kalau disingkat, adverb become ADV. Ya. And then every Monday. Jadi itu telling about the time. We can write adverb of time. And then carefully also an adverb. Ya, ini juga adverb. Ya, sama. But adverb apa ya kira-kira carefully ini? Okay, so I will explain ya on the next slide. Okay, so this one adverb. Adverb is word which are used to describe verbs, adjective, and other adverbs. Ya, jadi adverb itu digunakan untuk menjelaskan kata kerja, adjective, atau adverb yang lainnya. So there are 5 kinds of adverb. Ya, ada 5. The first one is adverb of manner. So adverb of manner is used to tell how an action happens. Jadi bagaimana terjadinya suatu action. Ya, untuk mengetahui adverb of manner, you can use how. Jadi, examples, the horse runs fast. Kuda itu berlari dengan cepat. Ya, kemudian untuk mencari adverb of manner-nya kita bisa pakai question how. How does the horse run? Bagaimana kuda itu berlari? Oh, kuda itu berlari dengan cepat. So, fast here is the adverb. Ya, fast di sini adalah adverb karena dia menjelaskan tentang runs. Ya, contoh lain ya, you can also say quickly. Ya, quickly. So quickly juga artinya dengan cepat. Tapi kalau fast tidak ada fastly ya. Fast only fast. Kalau quick bisa berubah jadi quickly. Kemudian slow jadi
Slowly.
slowly. Good. Careful jadi
Carefully.
carefully. Ya, so that is adverb of manner. Jadi yang kebanyakan mostly ending with ly. Tapi tidak semua ya. Tidak semua yang akhirannya ly itu adalah manner. So, but mostly of them is ending with ly, adverb of manner. Next, the second, adverb of time ya. Tadi contoh sentence yang pertama itu ada adverb of time-nya. So, it is used to tell when an action happen. Kapan? Ya, so here the example, John goes to school today. So, today is the adverb of time. Next, number 3, adverbs of place. Ya, it is used to tell where the action happens. Di mana? Ya, the examples. He is sitting outside. So outside is adverb of place. Outside, inside, here. Ya, that is adverb of place. Next. Okay. Adverbs of number or frequency. Ya, it is used to tell how often an action happens. Jadi, itu untuk menunjukkan seberapa sering ya action itu terjadi. Ya, for example, Arun often go to temple. Jadi, Arun sering pergi ke temple. Ya, sering, often itu sering. Jadi kalau misalkan seminggu in a week she goes to the temple 5 times. Misalkan karena dia sering, oh seminggu 5 kali. Ya. Or misalkan you can use like this. Arun always goes to temple. Arun selalu pergi ke temple. Berarti dia setiap hari pergi ke temple. Ya. Jadi seberapa sering? For example, a week, ya in a week, twice a week, ya or three times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, ya. That is adverb of number or frequency. And then the last, this one is the easiest. If ya.
What?
So interrogative adverb is used to ask question. Yeah, it is the question word. Why, who, what. Yeah, that is adverb of interrogative. And then the last, this one is the list of the adverbs. Yeah, you can also see it on your note. Ya, bisa dicek on the note ya. So here I make a table consists of 5 columns. Ada 5 kolom ya. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, place, number, or frequency. And then the last is interrogative ya. And then here is the meaning ya. Asking how, asking when, where, how often, and a question. And then I put some examples. Fast, slowly, yeah, you can check it on the note here, the examples. Okay, so do you have any questions? Not yet?
No.
Okay, so let's open the exercises on the course book. Yep.
Course.
Yeah, course book, page 66. Course book, page 66.
Course book.
Yeah, course book. Nah, this one, course book. So I will zoom it out and this.
Speaking or doing.
So I will write here. Maybe some of you halaman berapa, Miss? Course book, page 66. Okay. So we will answer part E only. Ya, fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs of frequency. Jadi di sini kita isi jawabannya dengan adverb of frequency or adverb of number. Ya. So, here you can find some examples of adverb of frequency. Di sini ada beberapa contoh. Never, ya, ada seldom. Never kan tidak pernah, seldom jarang artinya. And then sometimes, kadang-kadang. Ya, often, rarely, usually. Ya. So you can choose one of them. Boleh pilih salah satu and then write here. For number 1 until 4. Ya, jadi for number 1 until 4, you can choose yang Miss Rusling Kari ini. Choose one and then type it here. For example, number 1, Miss Rus jawab often. And then the second one, I will use never.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the third one, I will use usually. And then number 4, for example, sometimes. Yeah, so you can choose one. Or, Miss, I want to write number 1 until number 4 with the answer often. Semuanya often. Boleh. Ya, masih bisa. Or, misalkan number 1 until 4 pakai never aja boleh, Miss? Yes. Number 1 until 4 usually only? Yes. Ya, or sometimes semuanya bisa. Or you want to switch it. For example, jawaban number 2 dibawa ke number 1, boleh. Okay?
Oh my God.
Because it still can fit on the sentence ya. Jadi number 1 until 4 itu bisa diisi often, never, usually, sometimes, atau di switch, atau only one answers. Okay, and then for the last, number 5, you can use the answer this one. Weekly, daily, yearly, ya. You can write here. Weekly or daily, monthly, yearly.
Already,
Yeah.
Miss.
Okay, just choose one. Okay?
Already.
Already, good. How about the others?
I'm done, Miss.
Done?
Done, Miss, done.
Okay,
Done.
so can we move to the workbook?
Done.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's move to the workbook. Yeah, so we will move to the workbook. Please open page
What page, Miss?
40 until 41.
40.
Mhm.
No,
40 until
the course book.
41. Workbook.
Grammar.
Workbook.
The course
This
book.
workbook. Workbook.
I don't work yet in course book.
Ah, okay.
I don't answer.
You can check.
Where is it?
You can check the video later. Yeah. So now
What
we will
page, Miss?
answer the workbook. Page 40 until 41. Okay. So we will answer part D and E only. Ya, jadi ini part D and part E. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate adverbs and complete the sentences. Okay, so here, ya, we will use adverbs of manner. Kita akan pakai adverb of manner ya, yang tadi. Okay, so I will give example for number 1. Okay, number 1, Ram is a careful boy. So the keyword here is careful. Jadi kata kuncinya itu careful ya. Okay, and then he drives carefully. Ya.
He drives. Yeah.
So, because the keyword is careful. Jadi kata kuncinya di sana careful. Jadi careful is an adjective. Careful itu masih adjective. So to make it adverb, we add ly. Jadi careful, jadi carefully. Okay, did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Dayubella, please answer number 2.
Okay. The girl seems to be slow. She does her work slowly.
Good. He does her work slowly. Thank you. Ya, very easy, right? Gampang ya.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy. Just a piece of cake. Okay. Gong Dipa, please read and answer number 3. He is.
Tes.
Ya.
Kedengaran, Miss?
Oke, kedengaran. Kerasin lagi dikit Gong Dipa.
Oke, aku harus pakai headset ini. Kenapa sih? He is carelessly.
He writes.
Carelessly. Gimana cara baca? Saya nggak bisa bilang R, Miss.
He writes carelessly. Ya. He is a careless writer. Jadi careless is the opposite of careful. Careful itu kan hati-hati, teliti. Kalau careless is ceroboh. Okay, number 4. Kiwi, please read and answer number 4, please.
The TV sir taught us an easy exercise. We can do it easier.
Easily.
Yeah, easily.
Miss.
Easily. It's okay, Tiwi. Ya, tinggal ditambah ly saja. Good. Thank you. Next, number 5. Anjani, please.
My uncle has a loud voice. He always speaks loudly.
Loudly, good. Thank you. Benar. Ya, loudly.
Can I have a turn?
Ya, get Tia. Please.
Mr. Sharma was angry with the class. He shouted at us angrily.
Okay, good. Angrily. Thank you. So, this one, those are the the answers of number 1 until number 6. Yeah, careful, carefully, slow, slowly, careless, carelessly, easy, easily, loud, loudly, angry, angrily. Okay. So, have you done writing the answers?
Done.
Done. Okay, so we will move to the part E ya. Kalau sudah selesai, kita langsung lanjut ke part E. Okay, JJ, please answer number 1, part E. Jadi kita choose the answer by circling or underlining. Kita circle atau underline ya. So part E juga sama kayak tadi. We will answer it by using adverb of manner. Okay, JJ, number 1, please.
The floor
Mhm. The floor,
the floor
tiles,
tiles need to be
measured.
Measured.
Okay,
Perfect.
perfect or perfectly.
perfect.
Perfect is an adjective. So we will choose adverb. Perfectly, yeah. This one. Perfectly. It's okay, JJ. Thank you. Next, I would like to ask. Tasha, are you there? Please unmute yourself and then answer number 2, please.
She is an expert dancer. She performed magnificently.
Good. She performed magnificently. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Next, I would like to ask Christian. Christian, please unmute yourself and then answer number 3, please.
Talk softly or don't talk at all.
Good. Yeah, talk softly or don't talk at all. Thank you, Christian. Softly, yeah. Perfectly, magnificently, softly. Michael, number 4, please.
Michael Kesuma Arta, siapa sih namanya?
Nadine Michael Harta Kusuma.
Ah ya, untung.
During the exams,
And
slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Good. Slowly. Thank you.
Same.
Same. Yeah. Okay. So last 2 questions. I would like to ask the students who turned off the video.
Can I click? Miss?
Yes. Yeah.
I want to answer it.
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
你好。
Can
How?
you?
Hi,
Here.
I want to answer the question.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So number 5, please answer it.
He did not pass the driving test as easily as he had thought he would.
Okay, good. Number 5 is easily.
Oh, nice lah.
Nice. And then the last, Gong Intan. Okay, Gong Intan, please, number 6.
Hai. Mike, minta filter dong, Mike.
Tadi aku nomor random.
Oke.
So the answer regular or regularly?
Regularly.
I know the
Yeah.
answer.
Regularly, yeah.
Because I'm Indian people,
Okay.
because I'm from Delhi.
Thank you.
Samira.
So
No comment.
that's all the answer for part E. Ya, perfectly, magnificently, softly, slowly, easily, and
Untung materi hari ini
regularly.
gampang ya Tuhan.
Okay. So have you finished writing the answers?
Ya.
Yes.
Ya.
Okay. So I will close the screen.
Oh ya ribet gong.
Oke.
And that's it. Oh, ini baru Miss Luz lihat ada Dewo Bram, tapi turn off video. Wah, ini semuanya hampir turn off video. Hai.